Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to make this powerful tea spray that will help to stop hair loss instantly and regrow your bar hair like magic in just first use. Okay, this tea spray is so powerful. It's so simple to prepare. It's only 2 ingredients that you can find in your kitchen and make use of it and grow your hair like crazy. Before we dive into today's video, I want to appreciate you all for my new subscribers and my old subscriber. Thank you so much for engaging on my videos. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much for the subscribe, like and sharing my videos. I love you all. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. The first thing is to grab my jar, and my jar is clean. My first ingredient is coffee. Coffee is one of the remedy that you can never joke with. Coffee will help to grow your hair like never before. Coffee will help you to regrow your hair buzz. Regular using of coffee can darken up your hair, reduce your hair fall, thicken up your hair, boost hair growth. Coffee encourage faster hair growth. Use any coffee you have at home, but make sure that the coffee you are using contain caffeine on it, because the caffeine in the coffee is what promotes hair growth. Coffee is one of the powerful hair remedy that will help to grow your hair like crazy, like magic, darken up your hair, give you voluminous hair, help for length retention, darken up your gray hair natural way, and so many other benefits to be gotten on using coffee. There are different ways to use coffee to grow your hair. This is one of the ways to use coffee to grow your hair. Using coffee on your hair is best decision you can never regret of doing. I'm using 1 tablespoon of my coffee. Moving on to the second ingredient is cloves. Cloves is another powerful herbs that can help you to grow your hair like crazy, help you for length retention, regrow your hair buzz, thicken up your hair, and also help you to get voluminous hair if used in a correct way. I repeat, if used in a correct way. In this video, I will show you how to use cloves in a correct way, and also I will tell you the best way you can make use of cloves for you to have length retention, for cloves not to dry off your hair. A lot of people are complaining of cloves drying their hair, but why cloves are drying their hair? Because they are using it in a wrong way. If you use cloves in a right way, you will never regret of knowing clove. You will never skip cloves in any of your hair regimens, because cloves got good property that can help to stimulate blood flow to your scalp, promote healthy hair growth, and so many other benefits to be gotten on using cloves regularly on your hair regimens. I scoop up 1 tablespoon of cloves. Next thing is pour in my hot water. I'm doing this infusion method. You can also boil this if you don't want to do this infusion method, because this infusion method take longer time. But if you want to boil it, you can boil it for 7 minutes and bring it down and allow it to cool down. Is ready to be used. But this infusion method, I'll be infusing this for 12 hours. So I've covered it up and keep it away. I'll keep it away in my cabinet, leave it there for 12 hours. So after 12 hours, this is what we got so far. The cloves have infused and the coffee also have infused. Do you see how darker this recipe is? This recipe is a bomb. Only 2 powerful ingredients. You don't need to break the bank for you to have healthy hair. You don't need to break the bank for you to regrow your hair buzz. You don't need to break the bank for you to retain length. Using only these 2 ingredients, I kid you not, your hair will grow like never before. I kid you not, you will retain a lot of length. If you want to darken up your hair, this recipe will help you in darken up your green hair in natural way. If you want to regrow your hair in buzz, this recipe will help you on that. I'll just transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. Please keep on watching. I will tell you how to use this for your hair not to dry, okay, for you to retain length, for your hair to flourish while using this recipe. This recipe is all in one. You don't need to do too much for you to have voluminous hair. You don't need to do too much for you to regrow your hair. Crown section, only this recipe will give you that voluminous hair you are dreaming of. Only this recipe will grow your hair, treat your dandruff, reduce your hair fall, control your hair shedding, and so many other benefits to be gotten on this recipe, but by using it consistent, because consistent is the key. Okay, you cannot apply this recipe on your hair once and you expect it to work like magic. Doesn't work that way. Consistent is the key. Using it consistent, you will see a great change on your hair. So this is the stage of my hair. Okay, so this is our tea spray. This is how the tea spray is. Very simple to prepare. It did not take us time to prepare this tea, but what this tea spray work on your hair is so marvelous. So I'm going to apply this on my hair. I will demonstrate to you how to use this on your hair for best results. So I'm using this as a leave-in treatment. Okay, you don't have to worry about the smell. You know, Cloves smell very nice, and also coffee also smell very nice. But if you don't like the smell of Cloves and coffee, I'm going to tell you another way to make use of this to get best results. But in this video, I'm showing you how to use it as a leave-in tea spray. I'm spraying it all over my hair from the scalp to the tip of my hair. Make sure that I massage it very well into the strand of my hair and into my scalp. I'm focusing on my scalp because hair grows from scalp, and also for the strand of my hair, also for strand of my hair to also get the good benefit of this, to get more darker and thicker. Okay, so using this tea spray as a leave-in treatment, please, once after you apply this tea spray on your hair as a leave-in tea spray, please follow up with your good sealant, your leave-in condition, or your hair growth butter, and seal in with your oil. Okay, do not miss this. Make sure that you use a good sealant to seal it in. Even though I did not demonstrate that on this video, but it doesn't mean that I did not see in my hair. Please make sure that you see in your hair. If you use this in a right way, you will love the result you gotten on your hair. You will retain all the growth that this recipe will give to you. But if you do not use it in a right way, while taking your protective hairstyle down, you're going to lose a lot of hair because your hair have dry. Okay, so try to see in the moisture once you apply this on your hair, and also after sealing in the moisture, please massage your scalp. It will help to stimulate blood flow to your scalp. You will never regret trying this recipe on your hair. Okay, so second way to use this recipe for best results is to use this as a final thin rinse after shampooing your hair. Okay, after shampooing your hair, doing all your wash day routine, use it as a final thin rinse. Pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp, cover your hair. You can leave it for 30 minutes, but if you have more time, you can leave it for 1 hour and rinse it out and follow up with your moisture routine. This is the two way you can use this. You can also use it as a pre-poo, but using it in this two way, leave-in condition and final thin rinse, is the best result. Okay, so use this 3 times in a week for best results. But if your hair retain more moisture, you can use it twice in a week. Okay, but whenever you use it, please make sure you moisturize your hair. If your hair dries out quick, use it 3 times in a week. But if your hair do not dries out quick, use it 2 times in a week. Store this in your refrigerator only about 5 days. Anyone that remaining, please discard it and make a fresh batch. Okay, I would like to get your feedback on this recipe. Have you tried before, or are you going to try it? Let me know your feedback. Please, if you have not tried before, give a try on this recipe. You will never regret it. Let me know what you thought on today's video in comment section below. Let's interact in comment section below. Okay, so I hope this video is very helpful to you. If there's anything I did not cover up on this video, please let me know in comment section below. If you have not liked this video, please help me to click on that like button, and also share this video and subscribe. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so that be notified whenever I drop a new video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.
Was roaming the garden.